How to use margin in Etrade. Here's how to use margin in Etrade. Log into your Etrade account. Then select Open an account. Choose a margin account and complete the application. Transfer funds into your margin account. This serves as collateral for borrowing. Etrade requires a minimum balance for margin accounts, typically $2,000 for standard accounts. Different securities have different margin requirements. Once approved, you can borrow up to a certain percentage of the value of eligible securities in your margin account. When you buy securities on margin, Etrade will lend you the funds needed to complete the purchase, and you will pay interest on the borrowed amount. If the value of your securities declines and your equity falls below the maintenance margin, Etrade may issue a margin call. You'll need to deposit additional funds or sell securities to restore the required equity. Keep track of your margin balance to avoid margin calls. Thanks for watching.